We're gonna see how helpful of a benefit this grinder really is to you, because the thing about coffee, especially if you're a black coffee drinker, is that the grinder is essentially everything. I've heard that before. I know you've heard that before, and the grinder is everything. Take this off. So what's inside? This is just the cup, the vessel that holds the coffee. This is where you change your infamous grind sizes. But like I said, the grinder is everything. What it looks like right there. Can't really take that out. It spins freely because it better is because it's new. But you know, they said the grinder is everything. We're gonna put this back on. This holds about 25 grams of coffee, and we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it actually right now. And like I said, I'm just demonstrating